This is my robot dog. It can walk, dance, do pushups, and sometimes one day while scrolling online, I found a robot dog. And as someone who loves robotics, I couldn't stop myself from ordering one. A few days later, the package finally arrived. I was super excited, so I started unboxing it and found a briefcase inside. When I opened the briefcase, there it was, my robot dog. Inside the case, I also found a microbit, some cables, and few accessories for Robotic Arm. And honestly, the first thing that surprised me was the build quality. The entire robot is made up of metal, which made it feel way more premium. The first thing I did was to turn it on. I pressed the power button, but nothing happened. I pressed it again, still nothing happened. At this point, I was already thinking, did I get scammed? Then I realized the battery was probably dead. So I plugged it in and waited a few minutes.
5 minutes later.
Then I tried it again. This time it stood up and then immediately sat back down. So I thought it might need more charging, so I left it charging for about an hour. And then I tried again. And finally it stood up properly. Next, I downloaded the XGO app and connected the robot to my phone. This app lets you control almost everything, including the robotic arm. At first, controlling the robotic arm was quite difficult for me, but after a few minutes of practice, I was able to control it. It also comes with bunch of different built-in modes like dance, push-ups, and even naughty mode. After playing it for a while, I connected the microbit, and that's when things got even more interesting. Whenever I control the robot, the microbit displays different animations, which is pretty cool, but the best part is that you can actually program it yourself using block coding. You can create your own animations easily. Another thing I found interesting was its balancing ability, as the robot comes with built-in gyroscope sensor that helps it to stay balanced. The more I tested it, the more I realized this wasn't just a toy. It's a robot that you can actually learn from, and that's exactly why I bought it. And that's it for today. I hope you liked my robot, and I'll see you in the next video.